So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make Grimace in Roblox. So this is our guys Brookhaven RP Home. So if you want to make Grimace in Roblox, guys, I'm gonna show you how to make that using a code. So you have to follow and you have to watch the full video to get all the codes. Just keep watching the video. So the first code for the Grimace is, so let me reset to the my avatar. And now, so the first code for the Grimace is 13916906 201. The first code is 13916906 201. So now you can see that there is an eye on the avatar heads. So now the second code for the hoodie is, our hoodie face is, so the second code is 139169297716 for the hoodie face, and the third code for the shirt is 138832110004, and this is for the shirt. And you can see and the fourth code for the pant is 139070463996, and just tap on the screen and you can see that this is the Grimace avatar, and you can make by using this codes in Brookhaven. And hope you enjoyed it and hope you like it. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Till then, bye bye.